how to read appsetting.json file in your home controller. Super to check out the same video in Hindi, link is in the video description. You can see that currently inside appsetting.json file I have specified my connection string, a kind of a parent child relationship. So to access this, definitely we need to write some of the code inside our home controller. Okay, now inside the startup.cs file, you can see that we have a library microsoft.extension.config. Using this, we can easily access our connection string details. Yeah, definitely you can write a code over here as well. But for the simplicity purpose, I am writing a code over here. I configuration and then the con. Over here, let me create one string variable and con, and you can specify double quotes over here. You can see that currently my default connection string is a part of a connection string. So first of all, you need to copy the connection string, then specify the colon is merged, then after copy the default connection string name over here, save these applications. Okay, now run it. Let me first put the cursor over here and run the application. Just wait. Okay, so now currently it shows me null because I'm on line number 20. If I move my mouse from line number 20 to 21, you can see that it shows me my connection string details. So this is how you can access your appsetting.json file and access the data in your home controllers. So thank you very much.